Hey everyone, I'm on my way home. Monday was actually a very solid day for us, with minimal issues. How about that? So some of you may be driving vehicles that are just, clipping 125 or 130 or 150, 180 on up, and you may have had some minor suspension work done, but it is my experience and my opinion that once you start crossing the 130,000 mile mark, it is time to start restoring your suspension, not just fixing what's wrong, because everything works together and it does wear. So we're seeing some vehicles that are coming in recently, and they're hitting that 150, 160, 170, 180, 200,000 mile mark. 60,000 it should have had struts, 120 it should have had struts, 180 it should have had struts. 3 shock or strut absorbers should have been changed, and that's based on manufacturer's recommendations, not including the links, the bushings, the tie rods, and everything else, and control arms. So if you're driving a high mileage vehicle, you got 130,000 miles on it, it is time to start considering restoring your suspension, not just fixing what's wrong. So if you've been through 2 or 3 sets of tie rod ends, or 2 or 3 sets of sway bar links, what's adding to that additional wear is everything else in the suspension is wearing out also. So you guys tell me, what's your thoughts? Thanks for watching.